Hi, I'm Jackie. This is Amber, and this is a 1-minute workshop on reverse warrior, Viparita Virabhadrasana. Start in warrior 2. We'll talk about the feet first. Make sure your back foot is parallel to the back edge of your yoga mat. Make sure your front toes point directly forward. Knee points directly towards the front toes. Make sure you keep it that way and don't let it fall inward. Stay strong. As you lunge into your front knee, draw your tailbone slightly down and tuck your front glute under. Lengthen up through the sides of your body. Keep your shoulders back. Now begin to side bend as you reach your left arm up and bring your right arm back. Square your chest to the side plane. Lift up and out of your waist and try not to compress or collapse into the bottom rib cage. Keep this posture a side bend instead of a back bend to get the most out of it. Breathe deep, and there you have it.